Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Bentley High Class Motorhome instantly conjures up a vision of unmatched luxury and sophisticated extravagance, bringing the renowned Bentley philosophy of superb performance and workmanship into the field of mobile grand touring. Although Bentley has a strong tradition of producing ultra-luxury cars, its design concepts and material expertise can theoretically be applied to a motorhome chassis to create the most luxurious ride ever built. The 2026 Bentley High Class Motorhome would surely draw attention from the outside with its stately yet dominating appearance. It would employ a design language that complements Bentley's well-established visual identity, going beyond the conventional motorhome style. Anticipate an imposing grille, possibly a development of the recognizable matrix design, with elegant LED lighting on either side. Crafted from lightweight yet durable materials, the bodywork would showcase a careful fusion of modest muscularity and smooth, graceful forms. Its upscale heritage would be highlighted with custom alloy wheels, polished chrome highlights, and a deep, glossy paint job that might have been inspired by Bentley's wider color scheme. A graceful design and effective long-distance travel would be ensured by the subtle integration of aerodynamic concerns. When you enter the 2026 Bentley High Class Motorhome, it's like entering a finely decorated private home, a veritable rolling palace. Every surface and element of the interior would radiate unmatched elegance, a testimony to Bentley's renowned workmanship. Luxurious hand-stitched leather from the best tanneries would be used to decorate custom cabinetry, wall panels, and chairs. Elegant contrasts could be achieved with polished metal accents or exquisite wood veneers, possibly made from rare and sustainable species. Large living areas would be given priority in the design, which would include a large salon area, a gourmet kitchen with professional-grade appliances, and an opulent master suite with an en-suite bathroom that resembles a high-end spa. There should be more guest rooms with the same level of comfort. Without being conspicuous, technology would be intuitive and effortlessly incorporated to improve comfort and convenience. A specialized infotainment system with audiophile caliber sound, smart ambient lighting that can be adjusted to mood, climate control zones, and extensive connectivity options that guarantee a flawless digital experience are all examples of this. It would also be crucial to have privacy and security elements that are designed to the highest standards. Beneath this opulent exterior, the 2026 Bentley High Class Motorhome would be constructed on a specially manufactured chassis for outstanding riding comfort and smooth operation. An advanced air suspension system would smooth over imperfections, guaranteeing a calm ride, while a powerful yet elegant engine, possibly a Bentley W12 or a smart hybrid powertrain, would supply enough power for confident cruising. The driving experience would still have the firmness and refinement that define Bentley, but from a wider platform. In the end, the 2026 Bentley High Class Motorhome would cater to an extremely affluent customer looking for the pinnacle of luxury travel. A mobile home that doesn't skimp on comfort, custom craftsmanship, or the prestige that comes with the Bentley name. It would provide an unmatched grand touring experience and be more than just a means of transportation. It would be a declaration of sophisticated taste.